This isn't so much a problem in Illustrator as it is in Photoshop, in that Photoshop has far larger file sizes, and we have a 1 megabyte limit on file uploads for the blog. So it's real important that you understand how to save files correctly for the blog. It's different than saving files correctly for high resolution for yourself. Okay, so for uploading files, here's the strategy. Number one, always, always, always use Save for Web. File, export, export, Save for Web. I don't go here. That's an option, that's a shift, that's a command, that's an S. Okay, so these three modifier keys and the letter S. I do all of this with my left hand. Okay, you should practice this because you're going to do it all year long. So I hold down Shift, Option, Command, S. All of that was done with my left hand. Shift, Shift, Option, Command, S. Okay, so try that. Practice it. Notice in this dialog box, I've got Optimize selected. You know, that's the one you want, which will show you the file here, but more importantly, look here, 3.28 megabytes. Okay, 1 megabyte is our limit. So here's the trick. First of all, the image size. Our blog resizes everything to a maximum size of 1920 by 1080. So the first thing to do, see this image size? Let's change the width. Make sure this is locked. You never want to unlock this. Change this to 1920 because that's the size we're going to use, and hit Tab. Then look down here and we're down to 1.6. So we're getting there. Okay, the problem is our quality. I've got it jacked up to 80. So if I click here, just to get my cursor in there and start hitting the down arrow, while watching the lower left corner, 1.4, 1.2, and we come down until 994, till we're underneath 1000K, underneath 1 megabyte. Okay, that will work every single time. So now you see our quality is 60, which is okay. That's good. But our file now will upload. And then you click Save and you save it correctly. But here's the trick. When you click Save, we've changed this image size and we haven't changed it in the best way. Okay, so this is just for the web. So here, with Circle Play 01, I'm going to use my right arrow and then maybe Shift hyphen to type an underscore and then type 1920. So I know this is a 1920 pixel version of this image. Okay? And you can even type PX if you really want to understand what that 1920 is about. And then you make sure you're saving it into the right folder and click Save. That file will upload with no problem. Got it? It's real important you remember this all year long because you are going to run into this problem all year long, and this is how to fix it.